So guys, first method, click to start, go to setting. If it is not showing here, you can search here directly, type setting, then click to privacy and setting, then find out camera in the app permissions. So if it is off, so kindly on it. And this is camera settings. Okay, add on network and like that. Okay, then guys, run the Windows camera troubleshooter. So click to start, go to setting, then click to system. After that, found out the troubleshoot, then click to other troubleshoot, scroll down and click to run camera, run. Okay, like that, you click single click to run. After that, it will show open the troubleshooter. Then guys, next method, reinstall the camera driver. You just right click, go to device manager, and find out the camera. So like that, collect this, then update, click select, right click to first uninstall. Okay, and then like that. After that, scan the hardware, and then again select, like this is camera, you find out the camera. After that, you select, then right click to update driver, and then close it. Then guys, next, reset, reinstall the camera app. You just click to icon and type camera, just then select the right click, then guys click to app setting. So we are in camera setting, just scroll down. So first click to reset, then click to repair. After that, click to terminate. All completed, restart and reset. After that, click to terminate. Then guys, close. And if you are using USB camera, so you can connect to different port. Okay, if you are facing this issue in the PC and laptop, and if you are used to USB camera, so connect to different ports and different system for confirmations it working 100% or not. So final, last step, click to start, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one, and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.